Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your PC desktop with stunning high-resolution 4K live wallpapers that move, flow, and breathe life into your screen. So first you can just open your browser and then search for this uh, page called Motion Backgrounds, motionbgs.com. So open it on your browser, and in here you'll see a lot of live wallpapers that you can download to make your desktop PC and mobile screen come alive with a 4K free animated wallpaper. So all of these are free, and there are also many categories that you can choose. There's anime, games, superhero, natures, or you can click on this all category to see all of the wallpapers available. So just choose the one that you want. For example, I'm going to use this one, Samurai Moonlit Path. You can click on the wallpaper that you want to use. As you guys can see, it's a live wallpaper. There's some movement on the wallpaper. You can just scroll down and there will be this option to download. There's this 4K download and also HD. So you can just click or choose on one of them. Click on download, and the wallpapers will be automatically downloaded to your device. And to display it or to apply it to your PC, here you need to install free software like Lovely Wallpaper, Desktop Live Wallpaper for Windows, or iWallpaper for macOS. So you can go, if you're using Windows, you can go to the Microsoft Store, search for Lively Wallpaper, this one. So this is a free app, so you can just click on get and wait until it's installed on your phone, so on your computer, and after that you can run the apps. Click on add wallpaper and choose this wallpaper that you downloaded from this page, and click on apply buttons, and after that you'll see the live wallpaper on your desktop. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.